Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the turbo and engine can handle flutter. If the turbo has shaft play or oil leaks, stop and repair first. Once done, remove any restrictive intake piping and install a robust blow-off or pop-off valve positioned between compressor outlet and intake. Make sure hoses are short and sealed. You want controlled reversion pulses. Keep radiator and oil temperatures monitored while you work, because improper fitment leads to heat buildup and premature failure. Next, focus on the plumbing. Shorten the compressor outlet to intake path to roughly 2-6 inches to sharpen the pressure waves that create flutter. Once done, replace long rubber hoses with rigid or silicone couplers to prevent collapse and ensure consistent wave timing. Make sure the valve actuation line is 4-6 mm, routed cleanly, and the valve spring tension is adjustable. Lighter spring yields stronger flutter but risks compressor surge. Test gradually at low boost to confirm behavior. Finish by securing all clamps and checking for leaks, then road test in stages. Idle, light throttle, partial, and finally full boost so you can spot abnormal sounds early. If flutter is too harsh or the turbo stalls, make the valve stiffer or add 1 to 3 inches of recirculation length to tame pulses. Conversely, shorten it if too mild. If oil pressure drops, boost spikes, or you hear knocking, stop immediately and inspect turbo and ECU inputs before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.